இந்திய அரசின் ஆயுஷ் அமைச்சகத்தின் கீழ் சென்னையில் செயல்படும் வட்டார யுனானி ஆராய்ச்சி நிலையத்தின் துணை இயக்குனர் டாக்டர் அக்தர் பர்வேஸ் அன்சாரி மற்றும் டாக்டர் கபீருதீன் அகமது நம்மளிடையே இன்று உலக சுகாதார நிறுவனம் இந்திய அரசுடன் இணைந்து ட்ரெடிஷனல் மெடிசன் பாரம்பரிய மருத்துவம் தொடர்பான உச்சி மாநாடு நடைபெற இருக்கிறது. டிசம்பர் 17 முதல் 19 வரை டில்லியில் உள்ள பாரத மண்டபத்தில் நடைபெற இருக்கிறது. அது குறித்தான முன்னோட்ட நிகழ்வாக இந்த பத்திரிகையாளர் சந்திப்பு நடைபெறுகிறது.
Namaste everyone. We are highly thankful to the World Health Organization for organizing the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine with the theme Restoring Balance, the Science and Practice of Health and Well-being during 17th to 19th December 2025 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. It aims to advance a global movement to restore balance for people and the planet, grounded in the science and practice of traditional medicine, guided by the Global Traditional Medicine Strategy 2025 to 2034. The summit will highlight the latest evidence and innovations and address critical issues including health system regulation and integration. On Earth December 2025, the Ministry of Ayush organized a curtain-raiser press conference at the National Media Center, New Delhi, ahead of the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine. During the press conference, the Honorable Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Ayush, Shri Pratap Rao Jadhav, expressed great pride that India is hosting the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine, following the successful first edition held in Gujarat in 2023. He stated that this summit stands as another important milestone in the collective global effort to mainstream traditional medicine for the health, happiness and well-being of humanity, in alignment with India's vision of Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramya. The Honorable Minister announced that the Ministry of Ayush will host a dedicated side event on Ashwagandha, one of India's most renowned and scientifically studied medicinal plants, emphasizing India's global leadership in traditional medicine. The Honorable Minister stated that Ayush systems, Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, Sovarikpa and Homeopathy have served people for centuries and are today recognized worldwide as trusted solutions for holistic health. The Regional Research Institute of Unani Medicine, Chennai, is one of the pioneer research institutes of Unani medicine, functioning under the Central Council for Research in Unani Medicine, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. The journey of Regional Research Institute of Unani Medicine, Chennai, began on July 6, 1979, with a clear mission to engage in rigorous scientific research across various facets of Unani medicine. A significant milestone was reached when a new fully equipped building was inaugurated on February 17, 2004. Over the years, the institute has meticulously cultivated a robust research infrastructure, achieving noteworthy prominence in critical areas such as clinical research, drug standardization research, safety evaluation of Unani drugs, survey and cultivation of medicinal plants, and comprehensive molecular and biological studies. Through the 4-decade journey, it has earned recognition as a leading institution in the southern part of India, renowned for its groundbreaking research initiatives and national acclaim for the effective treatment of conditions like filariasis, infective hepatitis, and musculoskeletal disorders, including rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. The vision of our institute is to strive for excellence in the field of Unani medicine through comprehensive research, ensuring the quality and affordability of products for prevention, management, and cure of various diseases. Our mission is to transform the Regional Research Institute of Unani Medicine, Chennai, into a center of excellence for research and patient care in Unani medicine. Medicated steam bath, irrigation therapy, foot bath, arm bath, sitz bath, hip bath, sauna bath, fermentation, cauterization, Munjizwa Mushil therapy as the best performing center in Unani medicine by the Intermediary Pharmacovigilance Center, National Institute of Unani Medicine, Bangalore. The a strong collaborative linkage and MOUs with leading national and state level institutions like Anna University, Chennai, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chengalpet, ICMR, National Institute for Research in Tuberculosis, Chennai, Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai, Government Unani Medical College, Chennai, Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore, and National Institute of Unani Medicine, Bangalore, for strengthening multidisciplinary research in the field of Unani medicine. In coming days,